Hi guys, welcome to the woodshop stop. Something a little different today. My wife and I ordered a couple e-bikes from Himiway. Well, we ordered a bike rack as well. And the bike rack came a couple days ago and I'm finally getting around to putting it together. Here it is all open. Looks like they packaged it well. I opened the small box. I know one thing, this thing is heavy. These are all the accessories, nuts and bolts and parts. These are the tire rests. There's two of those. Another set of tire rests, the adjustable ones. Tire cradles, I guess you could call them as well. That one's for the front tire. Here's all the parts laid out. I received all the parts as I should have. All the nuts, bolts, pins, washers, brackets, they're all there. Now I just have to figure out how to put it together. Here I am going over the inventory. Just a little side story to the bikes. We ordered two, like I said, and my wife got hers a week ago. And when we ordered it, we thought that it would work out for her based on the fact that we rented similar bikes, the Rad Rovers, when we were on vacation, and she had no problem with that bike. Well, the Hemiway bike is a little bit different. We got her a step through, but the step through was as low as it should have been for her height. So the bike was too much for her to handle. So after two rides and a couple of little tumbles, we decided to put it up for sale and we ordered her a Rad Rover Mini, a foldable Rad Rover, which is a much smaller bike. So we're waiting for that to come in. We start with the rear tire cradle. They didn't slide right on, so I had to use my mallet to persuade them a bit. Once you have them on, then you insert the panhead screws. There's two panhead screws that they supply you with. Here I am installing the second panhead screw. They supply you with an Allen wrench as well to screw those in. That's what I'm using. Now we installed the front tire cradles, and you have to flip the assembly over so it's upside down to install these. So you can see there's two holes on the end, and there's two members on the bottom of the cradle that go into those holes, and they have holes drilled into them. And you will install two threaded bolts with a washer into those. Now it's time for the assemblies to go on to the member piece. And if you notice, you'll see there's yellow stickers on the member piece that's below these assemblies. Well, they should have had the stickers on the assemblies identifying the center of these assemblies, but they don't. So I have to find the center. It's about 26 inches to the center of these because you want them equally spaced so you have balance. So I marked the centers, and then you can see there I marked a line there that I put in the center of that bracket so I know that these assemblies were centered onto that member that goes into the hitch. And then you install these screws. They have these are pan head screws, four of them that take the Allen. There's a bracket beneath the member piece that these brackets are screwing into. The members or the brackets below have the nut that's welded onto that bracket. And you can see I've got them assembled there. Here I'm showing it's 26 inches to the center of those assemblies, and there's the line that I mentioned. Now I'll put the wrench on these and tighten them up. And you can see the yellow sticker down below on that member piece. That was not a good reference for the placement of this assembly because it was too close to the other assembly. And the picture shows that the assembly should go out closer to the end. Here I'm showing you the hitch bolt, which is threaded in, and then on the opposite end you have a clip that snaps on, a safety clip. Just like that. And there is the rack with my bike mounted. There's the rear cradle with the strap, and the front cradle with a cross locking bar, and a strap is supplied for the front tire as well. Pretty secure, I'd say. This is the other side. Give you another view. And there's the safety pin. Here's a view of the rack folded up. It's nice and close. I like that. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to subscribe, share, and click the bell notification.